Hi guys, welcome back to episode 2 of our new van build.
In last week's episode, we started turning this neglected Peugeot Boxer into a dream campervan for a big European adventure. With the van cleared out, we are now ready to tackle sound deadening and insulation. Let the build continue.
So in the last episode we took this builder's van and we started converting it into our tiny home on wheels. So we have completely changed it. We have the floor now, we have all the plywood lining out, and now today it's to start sound deadening because this van is very tinny. So let's go.
With the help of 𝗦𝗨𝗣𝗣𝗢𝗧, we are going to make this van soundproof.
This stuff is heavy.
Very heavy.
So we are going to use these sound deadening to go on the walls because this van is very tinny. And this is going to be for the floor. So this is going to act as the sound deadening, but also the insulation. So we're not going to lose too much space on the floor.
Perfect.
So now it's time to start sticking.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Let's go. I just got this here. It says dead as a dodo.
Yeah.
This box has 50 sheets, so we reckon we have enough to do the entire van.
If my maths is correct, we should have.
You should be out.
We should have enough to do the whole entire van. So yeah. 50 sheets should just get us to do the whole roof and the walls. We do not have to do anything to the floor because that is where the other thing comes in, and it has like the 2-in-1. So we're lucky enough we don't have to use any sheets on the floor. But we still have some left over from the time we converted Fergus. So we're still going to use that too. So the good thing about these sheets is you don't have to cut them. They don't come in a roll or anything. You literally just peel them off and stick them on. So here goes the first one. We are putting windows here, so that is why we're putting the sound deadening on them. So this is the difference. So you generally cover 50 to 70% of the panel. So I reckon 4 should do this whole panel here.
Wow.
Wow. Nice.
Here goes my first sheet of soundproofing.
One down, 48 more to go because I already have one down. As simple as that.
Yeah. I love the way they come already cut, because I remember when we were doing Fergus we had to like cut it and then it's really sticky and it was hard to cut it. So these here from 𝗦𝗨𝗣𝗣𝗢𝗧 are like so handy. Do you want a sheet?
I'll take a sheet, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Doing the sound deadening job is one of the easiest jobs on this van. It's just literally peel off and stick on, and that is all you have to do. Even Annie can do it.
Hey, are you questioning my skills? Do I have to remind you that I can also change the starter motor in under a minute? 30 seconds.
You left a big crease here.
Where? Where?
So that is the first panel done in less than 2 minutes. So let's see the difference between a panel that has sound deadening and a panel with none. So this is what it's like with no sound deadening. Bit rattly. This is what it sounds like with sound deadening.
Well, it's like a low wire.
It's just like dead. So now it's time to get this side done. This is probably my favourite part of doing a van.
Yeah.
You know, all this kind of stuff.
Like putting stickers.
It looks more like a camper van already.
Every day we make so much like little progress that just it's really noticeable. I love it. We are almost done putting the sound deadening on the walls, and the next step is going to be taking the roof down. And it's not going to be an easy job because instead of being screwed in, it's nailed. And the man that had this van before us, he must have had like a lifetime supply of silicone because there's loads of silicone everywhere. So that's going to be a struggle. Nice. So now we just have to do the other sliding door.
Now I'm going to take the roof down now.
Oh. Oh, Shane. I can't, I'm sorry.
¿Qué pasa? You need a job, do it yourself. These apprentices, you can't get them out of this.
No, what about you? You keep farting.
This here is definitely going to... I think we're just going to have to break the roof because it's not easy.
Just 1 second. Oh my god. What has he got up here? Foam, lots of
foam, expanded foam.
Yay, that's a big one. We only have 1, 2, 3. There's like 3 more. Look at this expanding foam. Loads of, what do you call this material?
Foam.
Foam.
Siren, like.
Oh. So the previous owner used loads of silicone, loads of foam, loads of nails. It's so hard to get this off. I think I'm gonna let Shane do it because there's not a hope I'm gonna be able to do it. He is struggling. Never mind me. There's a little bit of the van that needs sound deadening, so I think I'm gonna do that bit. Can we take a moment to talk about how Shane always wears the Cat-Lynn clothes? And today for the van build, he has decided that it was a great idea to wear his diesel jumper.
Sorry.
It's really nice, but why would you wear it today? I'm literally wearing like the oldest clothes I could find in the house, and he has decided to wear his good jumper. While Shane takes the roof down, there's a little bit of sound deadening missing here, so I'm gonna tackle that.
We got it!
Right, so I thought that we had like 3 sections left. Turn south, we only have 1.
Right, move honey.
Where?
To the front.
Okay, I'm letting go, okay?
Yeah.
There's a wire, Shane.
Cut it.
How?
Okay, let me see.
Is there nips over there? Oh yeah, over there.
Oh, this wire here.
Yeah. What do you want me to do? Okay.
Okay, I'm going to try something. You stay there. Hold it.
Oh, it's very heavy, Shane, it's very heavy!
It's like the scene from the Hangover. I got light grey, dark grey, medium grey.
Colorblind.
She's colorblind.
Is that cut fully though?
I think so.
Okay, cool.
Hold it, hold it.
Oh my god. Yay! Well done! Look at this!
Oh, we still have more up front.
Yeah, I know, but that was a big chunk. Right, we just have the last bit of the ceiling and then, well, I mean, we still have to do quite a bit to it, but the last bit of wood. This last bit doesn't seem to want to come up. It's stuck like shit to a blanket. These are the type of Irish expressions I learned with Shane. Once I came to Ireland 11 years ago to learn English, and I ended up learning stuck to shit in a blanket. Stuck like shit to a blanket. Yeah.
Let me get the chisel out. Now comes the fun part, getting rid of all this like styrofoam out. I'm not going to use it for installation because I don't think it is. So let's go.
We can still find money. This could be our moment.
Oh, we could find $50.
Dollars?
Yeah, this is an American van.
I don't think so.
Oh, get your egg right, Annie.
Look at the state of the van. You can't walk around. We're here falling on top of each other. This is crazy. We have foam, we have wood, we have sound deadening paper, we have everything. We have tools. You can't walk around. So now it's time to clean up because we want to do the floor and there's no way we're going to do it with all this like this. So clean up and then let's get onto the floor.
Do you want to clean up?
Yeah, I don't care.
It's a mess. We're going to have to just get bags, fill it all in, and get rid of it because I tell you, when you're in a van, even when you're living in it, it just gets dirty like that.
When you're building it, it's 10 times worse.
10 times.
Ta-da! These are the bags we have. I'm going to be here all day putting stuff in the bags, so that's not really going to work.
You need to get a better solution.
Yeah.
So now that the van is back to normal, everything is gone, it is time to start sound deadening the roof. So we are going to leave these battens up because there's no point taking them down to put them back up. So we might as well leave them and screw our new roof to these. So that is the plan. Let's get sound deadening.
Yeah, I love this part. Woo. How many do we have left?
Don't know.
Okay. We have made it to B&Q and I kind of feel like this is a little bit mean because we are taking Fergus to buy insulation rolls for our new van. Do you think it's mean?
Fergus doesn't mind because he knows that this van is only going to be a temporary thing.
Yeah.
And Fergie is just taking
he's our true love.
A little rest. Well, we're still going to be driving Fergus for the next while. It's going to take us a while to convert this van, so you're not going anywhere, Fergie.
No, Fergus is our main van. He's never leaving. This van is only a temporary thing. So Fergus knows it and he's fine. He drove here flying. So let's go to B&Q and get some insulation.
Let's get some insulation. As we were getting ready to leave Fergus to head in to get our insulation, this van came flying through the car park.
Mad.
And absolutely took our wing mirror out of it. He busted our wing mirror and swung it closed. So people around here are absolutely crazy.
At least he apologised. He didn't just walk away.
He came over and apologised, but Jesus, he was flying.
We can't find it. This place is huge. There's literally everything but what we need. Shen has just spotted it.
That is what we need.
How do we get that?
We'll get it.
Do I climb? It's right here. Yeah, you were trying to trick me, weren't you?
I've never seen this.
Right, how many will we get? 4 or 5?
How much is it?
19.
No. What the?
When we looked at this at home, it was £22. We've come here and for some reason it's 26 for the exact same thing. We want 4 of these. So,
5.
Oh, 5, sorry. Yeah, we want 5 of these. So, yeah, we are doing a click and collect.
Is it? It's cheaper.
Yeah, so we're saving £4 per roll. So we're saving £20. We want to do a more shopping here around this area, so we're gonna come back in an hour, pick it up, save £20. Yeah, I'm not buying these at the error price on the website. I'm sorry. Literally 10 minutes after we placed the order in the shop, we got an email saying that it's ready. We moved away from the aisle where the insulation was, just in case you were coming to pick it up, and I was there on the phone ordering it. So now we're just walking back to B&Q, saved £20 and we're gonna pick it up. It's just so funny.
So when it turns out we have to go and pay an extra £20 because we got the price wrong online. Installation ready to go.
What did
paid
you?
for it, no?
Yeah, paid for.
Right.
Go. Number 1.
Fergus is probably thinking, right, this is a good idea. I'll go collect the insulation and everything. It'll give me a break off next summer.
Fergus is all loaded up, so these should keep us really nice and cool in the summer and cozy in the winter. So now let's go back and continue with the build.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day of this van build. But jeez, it is cold. It is like -3, -4. And inside the van is frozen, so there's not going to be much done today because there's no way we could stick sound deadening inside the van. It is absolutely ice. Like if you come here, this is froze solid. It is so cold out here today. I don't know whose idea it was to build a van in wintertime, but as you can see, it's ice cold. But it doesn't stop me from wearing shorts. Let's see what we can get up to. But we did get something very special. As you guys know, we took the double seat out of here to put in a single seat. Well, here it is. We have got this single seat to go in where Annie is going to be sitting. Now this is from a van from Poland. So this had to be from Poland so Annie can have an armrest, and the seatbelt buckle is on this side so everything works. So that means we're going to be able to have a walkway through the van, which is going to be make it like Fergus, and that leaves us so handy because we have been in other vans that you can't get from the front into the back. Didn't really like it because what if it's raining, or if you need to get away very quick, you can just literally run in through the back and away you go. So this seat costs us €250 for a single seat, but there is only one problem. It's identical to the driver's seat, but the fabric is just a little bit different, but it's like brand new. Who knew there was such a market for single seats for these campervans? So the fact that we're not going to be doing much building today, I think it's going to be a day for spending a lot of money trying to buy stuff for the van. So we are going to order windows, especially down for the back doors, and then a window for this sliding door. We're still not sure if we're going to put a window on this sliding door yet. We have to see. We keep changing our minds. And that is enough for today. We'll come back to this tomorrow.
So it's been a few days and we have just received our thermal insulation, and we're going to be putting it on the walls, on the ceiling. Here's Shane already getting the van.
Getting all ready.
Yeah.
It's a bad idea to convert a van in winter because the weather is desperate. We can't have the doors open or it's getting wet. The wind is blowing, and yeah, it's just not easy. And this van cannot fit in the shed, so
I have to be outside.
Doesn't make it easy. So let me show you what we got. So this is what we are going to be putting on the walls on top of the sound deadening. So once we have all the sound deadening done, it's nice and sound, but we need like a thermal liner to stop the build up of condensation, and also to stop the heat from escaping and the heat from coming in the summertime. So that's where this comes in.
So as Shane says, this is going to be for thermal insulation and also to avoid condensation, which could lead into rust. Look at that, it's massive. So it's also to protect the van from the rust and make the build last longer.
And it keeps Annie warm.
Yeah, that's very important because it's very hard. I'm always so
and
cold.
Right now, there is a cat walking around Annie's legs and she hates cats.
I know, that's so good. Where's the cat? Oh, there. Ah! I don't hate cats. I'm afraid of cats. It's different. I'm just petrified.
Let's start measuring these panels. We're not going to put them down low because you can't just need them up here where the heat's going to rise. So we need to cut. So we have the first panel sort of cut. We're going to just be sticking it on right here. So we're just going to cut it across, stick it on. Bob's your uncle.
So the other day we walked into the van and we realised that the ceiling and the top of the walls were soaking, so that's when we said we have to put this thermal lining in.
That is literally how simple this process is. So all these products that we are using from 𝗦𝗨𝗣𝗣𝗢𝗥𝗧, we're going to leave them linked down below so you can check them out and you can get yourself some 𝗦𝗨𝗣𝗧 for your build, because honestly it's so worth it.
Yeah, they are so handy. They already come with the adhesive. The sound deadening already comes cut. Really handy. If I hear any comments about left-handers, I don't know what I want to do. Anytime I have a knife, Shane says I look dangerous. So it's 60.
Yeah.
Ah.
Measure twice, cut once.
Okay. Ah, it's handy. It's up to this line. Yeah. That was
Measure 3 times just to be sure.
Yeah. It is this line. Sorry.
How are you getting on?
Good. How do I look?
Struggling. You should just run through it. These left-handers, they do not know what they're doing.
Say be careful.
He's warmer already.
What is it?
She had one job.
Okay, what is it? You measured it again.
It's
slightly shorter.
It's 60. Well, you must have be cross-eyed because it's 60 this way.
57.
56.
56. No.
Yeah, you kind of went off a wee bit.
Oops. Well, anyway, let's stick it somewhere.
I think you take the camera.
This. Oh, what way? There you go. Maybe this way.
Whatever way you want, honey.
Come back next week where we attempt to get our trusty VW T25 back on the road, and for part 3 of this DIY van build where we brave the harsh Irish winter while trying to build a tiny home on wheels.